Hey arty friends, I'm back again with another mechanical pencil review. Today we're taking a look at the Uni-Ball Chroma, and I purchased this 2-pack at my local CVS for about $7.99, which, now that I think about it, does seem a little bit steep. It is blister packed. You receive 2 pencils, you receive eraser refills, and you also receive refill leads. So if you're picking this up in a pinch, it's got everything you need to handle writing for the day. So surprisingly, CVS had a different stock of writing and drawing materials. I've never seen the Uniball Chroma at Walmart before. So I was excited to give it a shot because I figured these might actually be pretty cool, and generally I really like Uni products. I reviewed several of them on the channel, and I have used several of them in my daily drawing life. So in this pack, you receive 2 pencils. The pencils are side advanced. They feature break-resistant, shock-absorbing points. They are in 0.7 millimeter, and it includes leads and 2 replacement erasers. They feature an auto lead advance for continuous writing, which I'm kind of curious about, a hexagonal twist eraser that promises fresh, clean erasing points, and it also promises to be a super clean eraser. The back of the package states, Chroma combines the most popular features requested by mechanical pencil lovers. Writes seamlessly thanks to Chroma's auto-advancing lead and shock-absorbing cushion point. Hexagonal eraser delivers 12 crisp points and edges for optimal editing precision. A sleek modern design and slide-click lead advancement make for a fun writing experience. It also promises convenient side-click lead advance, break-resistant shock-absorbing cushion point, and stylish metal clip. So I am working on the writing test. So normally when I do these reviews, I am reviewing them both for their ability to write as a school grade pencil, as well as for their ability to sketch and draw. I'm always on the lookout for great, new, comfortable on the hand, won't make my arthritis even worse, drawing pencils. Uniball also has a guarantee. Uniball Corporation guarantees smooth, worry-free writing with every Uniball pen. If you're not completely satisfied with our product, simply return it for a replacement or a full refund. Find complete return instructions at uniball.co.com/returns. And I should mention, I am going to have a full transcript of this video down in the description below, so you'll find the return link if you are curious. So this pencil features a clear plastic nubby grip, no cushion, but it is slightly concave and it is designed to be ergonomic. Side advancement, as I keep saying, although I'm more of a back advancement kind of person. The back pulls off to refill, and it has a twist up eraser. And it reminds me of the Papermate Clear Point in a few of the Pentel Click Erase pencils. Although I don't frequently use this type of pencil personally, I have loved this type of pencil in the past and generally think it's a decent design and a good option for students and people who handwrite frequently. So my thoughts on the writing test. When writing, I didn't have to advance the pencil. It seems like it legit auto advances. I wonder if it actually does auto feed as well. That's a time will tell sort of thing though. That is a lot of writing to get to that point. It's fairly comfortable in the hand, decently built, feels fairly sturdy, and there's some give in the feed to help prevent snapping. Like most of these twist erase style erasers, this one will roll itself down while you erase, so you do have to hold it in place. And I can't understand why no one has invented a mechanism that does a good job holding the eraser in place while you erase. So next we're doing the drawing test. We're going to start with colored lead. I have filled this with my colored lead of choice, the Pilot Color Eno colored lead, and I was able to front feed in the colored lead, which is a technique I use when I'm using one-off leads or if I'm using a pencil that I normally keep graphite in, but I want to put some colored lead in just once. It is fairly easy to sketch with. I noticed no lead breakage, which if you guys have watched my artist reviewed pencils reviews, that's a big deal. Most of these pencils eat colored lead. I did have to advance the lead though, which is a little bit of a bummer. And I feel like the eraser is frustrating to use. The concept is interesting, but it keeps retracting itself. And the advancement ring is small and challenging to hold as you erase. I do like that this pencil is fairly lightweight and fairly comfortable on the hand, although the design aspects of it, the side advancement, the twist up eraser, those are pretty common with more premium consumer grade mechanical pencils. So I've mentioned this in the past, but when I'm doing these pencil reviews, I'm not only reviewing them as an artist, but as someone who has grip issues, who has early onset arthritis. And when I was younger, I had a lot of difficulty with pencils because they were hard on my hands and required frequent resharpening. So I love mechanical pencils and I'm always on the lookout for good ones. So I'm coming at this not just as someone who's reviewing stationery, but as an artist who's always on the lookout for a good replacement for drafting pencils, which have a tendency to wreck your hand, and as someone who has had grip issues and also teaches children who frequently have grip issues. So I'm on the lookout for good pencils that are comfortable, easy to use, don't snap the leads, and are suitable for drawing. Speaking of drawing, I've gone ahead, I've removed my pink lead, advanced the graphite that was included, and now we're going to do the drawing test. And basically, what we're doing with that, it was just going over this pink sketch, tightening up some of the details, and usually when I'm drawing versus sketching, I am bearing down a little bit harder. I'm a heavy-handed person, and so this is going to be a good test for this pencil to truly see how comfortable it is. I also want to point out that the sketching and drawing portions of this video were time-lapsed by 2x, so this is a little bit faster than I normally draw. So this pencil is okay to draw with, although my hand did start hurting while working on the sketch. The included lead is pretty nice, maybe a bit darker and softer than number 2 normally is, but it's a high-quality lead, and generally Uni makes high-quality products. In general, this is a nice pencil. I wouldn't go out of my way to buy it because it's very similar to Papermate and Pentel products, but if I were in a pinch and I needed a pencil for a show, I wouldn't mind hitting up CVS and grabbing one of these. If you guys are new to my channel, I'm Becca. I'm a comic artist and illustrator who also teaches art classes online and off, and I'm using my experiences doing those things to review mechanical pencils to help you guys find the right pencil for you. This series, Artist Reviews Mechanical Pencils, has several installments, so if you're on the market for a great mechanical pencil, keep an eye out. If you enjoyed this tutorial so far and you like what I do, please take a moment and consider hitting the subscribe button and clicking the bell notification so YouTube lets you know when this channel updates. Basically, I feel like this could be a good pencil for students, particularly older students who are looking for an easy-to-use mechanical pencil with high-quality lead. It's pretty decent for drawing, it's lightweight in the hand, and it's probably not going to give you arthritis issues. Would I chase it down through CVS, just going out of my way to find one? No. But if I saw one at my normal brick and mortar store, or I was already ordering them on Amazon or already on Amazon, I would have no problem ordering the Uniball Chroma. So basically, my verdict is, this one's worth a try, but not necessarily worth chasing down, as there's similar products on the market that are fairly easy to find.